start it. We got diesel on. We have the pump down here. The pump will not start. You will see in a moment. Just waiting for the pump signal come. Just check the power. Check the power. Oh, it's here. Sorry, I was touching the button, so I'll make a new one here. We will connect it again. We have this one over here. Try again with another pump just to hear if it starts to click. We are waiting to activate the pump.